Airlink Airlines Baggage Allowance 2026 to 20 kg checked plus 8 kg cabin. Full rules explain. Planning to fly with Airlink Airlines in South Africa or Southern Africa? Don't get caught with surprise fees. In this video, we break down the complete Airlink baggage allowance for 2026 including checked baggage, 20 kg economy, 30 kg business, cabin bag limits, 8 kg, exceptions on certain routes, excess charges, and pro tips to avoid extra costs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're flying with Airlink Airlines soon, whether it's a quick hop from Johannesburg to Cape Town, or a regional trip to Zimbabwe or Zambia, baggage rules can make or break your trip. Airlink is Southern Africa's reliable regional carrier, and today I'm giving you the exact baggage allowance breakdown for 2026. No fluff, just the facts so you don't pay extra at the airport. We'll cover 7 important points, including weight limits, cabin bags, excess fees, and smart packing tips. Let's dive in. Point 1. Checked, hold baggage allowance. Airlink uses the weight concept, not piece concept for most flights. In economy class, every adult passenger gets 20 kg of free checked baggage. In business class, it's 30 kg. On specific routes, like South Africa to Ndola, Lusaka, Bulawayo, Luanda, or Harare, except direct Durban-Harare, economy jumps to 30 kg and business to 40 kg. Children who pay at least 75% of the adult fare get the full adult allowance. Infants, not occupying a seat, get 10 kg checked baggage plus a collapsible stroller or car seat. Always check your booking confirmation because fare families like Superb Sunbird or Plain Sunbird can slightly affect the exact kilogram. Point 2. Cabin, hand baggage rules for carry-on. Airlink is generous but strict on size and weight. In economy, you get one piece up to 8 kg. In business class, you can take 2 pieces plus a slimline laptop bag, each up to 8 kg. Maximum dimensions for each cabin bag: 56 cm height plus 36 cm width plus 23 cm length, total 115 cm linear. It must fit in the overhead bin or under the seat. A small personal item like a handbag, laptop bag, or slim backpack is usually allowed in addition and doesn't count toward the 8 kg if it's part of your wardrobe. Pro tip: they do weigh cabin bags at some airports, especially on busy routes. Pack light and use a soft bag that compresses easily. Point 3. Special items and amp, sporting equipment. Sports gear, musical instruments, or baby equipment often get extra allowance. Many fares include 15 kg of sporting equipment on top of your normal checked bag. Collapsible strollers, car seats, and mobility aids usually go free. Perishable goods up to 10 kg can be included in your free allowance, but they're carried at your own risk and not accepted on all regional flights. Check the official site for fragile or valuable items. They recommend carrying them in the cabin if possible. On regional flights, it's a flat rate per kilogram. Point 4. Excess baggage charges. Over the limit, you'll pay. On domestic flights in South Africa, excess is charged at R38 per kilogram plus VAT per sector. To Lesotho, Eswatini, Botswana, $2 United States dollars to Namibia, Mozambique, Zambia, Zimbabwe, $3 United States dollars to Angola, DRC, Madagascar, Malawi, Kenya, Tanzania, $6 United States dollars to St. Helena, $10 United States dollars. You can pre-purchase extra baggage online when booking. It's usually cheaper than at the airport. Always weigh your bags at home. Point 5. Route and amp, fare exceptions. Not all flights are the same. Higher fare families, like Magnificent Sunbird Y class, get up to 30 kg even in economy on normal routes. Lower fares stay at 20 kg. Some code share or partner flights might follow different rules, so read your ticket carefully. Airlink's baggage policy is clearly listed on flyairlink.com under the baggage section, Bookmark it. Point 6. Liquids, aerosols and AMP, gels, lags, rules. International security rules apply. All liquids, aerosols, and gels in your cabin bag must be in containers of 100 milliliters or less, placed in a single transparent resealable bag with total capacity of 1 liter. Only one bag per passenger. This is checked at security, so prepare it in advance to speed things up. Point 7. Smart packing tips and AMP. Final advice. Here are my top tips. Weigh everything twice before leaving home. Use packing cubes to distribute weight evenly. Wear your heaviest items, jacket, boots, to save bag weight. If you're unsure, arrive early. Airlink staff are helpful but busy. Download the Fly Airlink app for easy check-in and baggage updates. Remember, policies can be updated, so always verify on the official website flyairlink.com before your flight. There you have it, the complete 7-point guide to Airlink Airlines baggage allowance in 2026. Save this video for your next trip and avoid those nasty excess fees. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more airline guides from South Africa and beyond. Drop your Airlink travel stories or questions in the comments, I read every one. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.